The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add shifts. So we're gonna decide when the office needs to be cleaned or when we need to service this location. So we're gonna add a shift. How about hitting the green plus button at the very bottom next to add shift. We're gonna label the shift just to keep it organized, so we call this shift something, a way to identify it. So we're just gonna say HQ daily cleaning. Select the location. We only have one location, so the GCO headquarters. If you have multiple locations, you definitely want to make sure you select which location you're creating this shift for, because you can create shifts on more than one page on the app. The days that we want to have it serviced, we're gonna just go Monday through Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And all of the days of the week that you select will be highlighted blue. We're gonna have this, today is June 3rd, 2024, so we're just gonna have it start from today. And select that. End date. We can make this all the way out to a year, but we're just gonna go ahead and go to the end of next month and hit OK. What time do we want this shift to start and end? So let's just go 9 a.m. to 6, we're gonna hit PM and hit OK. So now our employees will be able to clock in anytime between 9 and 6 p.m. Do we want to prevent check-in outside of the shift hours? So if you don't have a reason to keep track of people clocking in or out outside of their shift hours, then you can indicate that now, but I'm just gonna go ahead and click yes, because I only want people to be able to clock in and out inside those shift hours. Cleaners per shift, so this is where you're gonna indicate how many cleaners you're gonna need to clean this location. So, right, I think it's a small office, I think one person can get this done, so we're just gonna put one. We're gonna scroll back up to the top and hit add shift on the bottom right. All right, once that finished loading, it says you have successfully saved and labeled your shift. And you can see it indicated here. So we hit the shift, we'll be able to see HQ daily cleaning from 9 to 6 p.m. We have service days, Monday through Friday. Timeline from June 3rd to July 31st of 2024.